The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch. Dance
People don't see it? See it? Hold on, lock. I saw you deal with the community. Stay on the yard.
Stay in what?
Police only. Police only. This is where sanitizer go on.
No stranger.
No stranger. Stay on the yard.
Yeah, we're not afraid to push up our face.
I saw you deal with the community. Too much you could pick the live round here. We don't want to stay on the yard. If you're not crying about come in. Wait till this over. Stay on the yard. See it?
Yeah. Nah, not late boy.
Yeah. Stay on the yard. Police alone can't come to government people.
We put the sanitizer here, so.
Yeah.
Who live around here and come in, sanitize themselves.
Stay on the yard. Government says stay here. We are monitor to the yard. Yes, stay on the yard.
Viewers and subscribers, may I tell you them people are not easy at all, you see it? Yeah, you know. Obviously, this video shows that, persons out there, some persons out there take this whole COVID-19 thing serious. You get me? I said to you? Yeah, me just presented a video to you that shows of persons basically trying to show persons that during the whole COVID-19 thing that is going on, if you're not from that community, you're not welcome in that community unless you are the police or you could say the law enforcers. You get me? And it's a good thing to take the whole COVID-19 thing very serious, no viewers and subscribers, because this thing is no joke. You understand what I'm saying to you? But, however, I would like to point it out to each and everyone out there that they should not turn to violence or disrespect anyone out of the fear of the COVID-19. You get what I'm saying to you? I mean, if you suspect that persons have the COVID-19 or you believe that they have the COVID-19, you should just call the necessary authorities, and report it and do it the legal way. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah, and if you don't want someone within your community, just tell them and explain to them, but at no point anyone should ever turn to no violence or be disrespectful to anyone out of the fear of the COVID-19. Alright? But anyways, viewers and subscribers, big up and respect to each and everyone. This is the Dancehall Skilla, and I have more videos to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. Now, the first video that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, this video is going to show off persons basically talking about trees that are between two houses, you see me, or you could say between two yards, and in this video two persons are talking about the trees, basically saying that the trees are bearing on one side of the trees and not bearing on the other side of the trees, and they went on to try and explain as to why this had happened, you see me. Now, this video is out on social media where comments have been made about this video, and some of these comments give me the understanding that some persons on social media are calling a video like this bad vibes between neighbors. You see what I'm saying to you? And other things have been said as well about this video. Alright, now viewers and subscribers, I'm going to present this video to you so that you can have a look at it and you can tell me what you think about what these persons had said. Alright, now take a look, listen and observe.
I said, God is real. God is real. I want a man no look like it here. Look over here, so. Not one aki over here, so. And the aki chair beer. No look good in the morning, so food no serving. No look good. Not one aki no over here, so. Right? Reason being for that. You see, the one of the yard here. Come one day and come sit up on the aki tree. The aki tree over my yard and for them yard. One aki tree. This is why the aki tree there. Look, this is why the aki tree there. She should sit up on that side of the house. She cut off the one of the aki over that side there. But it's still a spring back over here. But look which part the aki have here. Look for the aki when I get. Look for the tree over that side there. Look for my side. Over here, sir. Which part the aki there? You tell me, say John real. Look for my aki tree, full of aki on one side. Look, on one side, be aki, don't play with Jaja, is real aki. Aki a stone dog. Watch out, go here. And look for the next side. Look for the breadfruit tree. The breadfruit tree are beer over here, so. Look for the mango tree here, no. Look over here, so, for the mango tree. She cut out the whole of the mango on that side. No mango no over there. This is my eerie mango tree. Look for me eerie tree over here, so. Kumango, for my tree. Kumango. Look for mango for my tree. Look for right mango for my tree. You see me? I'm never showing us something. Never go on the next side of the house. And look for them, and can't stop us and go over there. Watch it, jump over there. Look on that side. You don't see no mango on the tree. No mango on the other side. Look. You see it? Don't play with your fruits. Jah is real. Struggle is real.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, there you have it, the video that shows of persons talking about trees that are between two houses. Alright? Yeah, in my point of view though, if you should trim or cut a tree and that tree should bear recently, if you trim and cut a tree at a certain point and the tree decides to bear, the part that has been cut or trimmed won't bear so easily. You get me? Yeah, but that is just my point of view, viewers and subscribers, you know, and you know, I'm gonna just move on to the next video right about now. Oh yeah, and you can let me know what you think about those two videos that I just presented to you. All right, now I'm going to present another video to you right about now, you see me, and in this video is going to show you a simple little thing you can do, you know, to put over your mouth and your nose, you know, in order to protect you a little bit from the whole COVID-19 thing, or when you're out there in the public or so on. Is what I'm saying to you. Now, my advice is that it would be best to get the real mask, you know, a real genuine mask. But however, this video is out on social media. It just shows a little trick or a little way of doing something that might help if you don't have a mask. You see what I'm saying to you? And it look a little fashionable too. You see what I said to you? But even though my advice is to get the real mask, because this coronavirus thing, it is no joke. You see what I say? Me a persons all I call it the corroded virus and all them things. But anyways, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to show you the video right about now. Take a look, listen and observe. Alright, viewers and subscribers, there you have it. You know, the video that is out on social media that would seems like a video that shows persons how to make something that might help if you don't have a mask. You see me? Again, I'm saying to each and everyone out there, it would be best to get the real mask, the actually real mask, a good quality mask to help to protect you from the COVID-19 or the coronavirus. Alright? But anyways, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to present the final video to you right about now, and this video is going to show off a person basically saying some things about what persons had said about the Prime Minister of Jamaica, who is Mr. Andrew Holness. You see me? And viewers and subscribers, some of the things that this person had said, some persons on social media agree with what this person had said, and other persons had other things to say about what this person had said. Alright, now I'm going to present this video to you so that you can have a listen for yourself, and you can also tell me what you think. All right, and some of the languages in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. All right, now take a look, listen and observe.
Like how everybody a cuss blood clot, Andrew Holness, say Andrew Holness, this Andrew Holness, that Andrew Holness, nah, this Andrew Holness, nah, that. And everybody want to run up and down and do as they have a and rule the government and go on like say, you know, want to obey the rule of law and understand, say, if everybody gets sick, most of we have a blood clot dead. You know what Andrew for do now? Just get ignorant and dark and fool like all me, you know, and just free up every blood clot thing and make everybody sick and who are dead, blood clot dead and who make it. Cause, you know, we are going like a bunch of fucking stupid idiot. And everybody are talk about, like say, well, when COVID-19 mark PNP or mark JLP upon it. Just make everybody blood classic and no business with nobody then. And protect themselves with their money and them big house they have. And just everybody just get fucked. Cause it look like a that one.
Viewers and subscribers, there you have it. You don't know me, Dancehall Skilla. I only bring the videos to you to keep you up to date and posted and make you know what I want. And you can also let me know what you think about these videos that I just presented to you, my viewers and subscribers. Alright, and if you need to contact the Dancehall Skilla, just read the description down below each video that I present to you. Alright, yeah, and this is where I leave it. So until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. Yes, it.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall Skilla! Yeah, man, hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.